Today we'll talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your Zello app. We'll go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, just go here above this sign, click on it, and just click here in this sign. It's going to show for you a list like this here. So then all you have to do now, you just click here on options. When you just click on options, it's going to take you to next step here. So then you click here on behavior, you just click on it. So then you come to next step here, then you come here to save photos. Check with the camera here, click in this sign, and just click on it here. So that like you see this color show for us, that's mean it's enabled with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.